Today we're going to tour 224 Meadow Lake Court. This is located on the east side of downtown McCall, and it's on the City of McCall golf course in Spring Mountain Meadows. This home was built by Alpine Custom Homes, and we're going to take you through this home and I'm going to show you what I love about it. But before we take you through the home, I'd like to thank Jennifer Robnett with Engel & Volker for letting us tour her listing today. So as we come in, we're on the first floor, and the primary bedroom is on the first floor. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. The bedroom goes out onto a covered deck area that looks out over the golf course. So it's a really nice location. Pretty private. You're back at the end of a cul-de-sac, which isn't going to get a ton of traffic. As you come into the main bedroom, you'll see, that we have like engineered hardwood floors throughout, and you go into the bathroom and you'll see that it's got a huge shower with 4 shower heads, a big walk-in closet, and dual vanities. It's a really nice main bedroom. Now, as you're walking upstairs, you can feel like the carpet squish under your feet and tell that it's just like a high-end padding and that the quality is really nice. So as you're going upstairs, there is a second primary suite that has its own bathroom. Then you have this huge bonus room that's kind of set up where you have a mini fridge and a bar area. And both of those go out onto a balcony that overlooks the eastern mountain range. So you have a nice view from the main bedroom downstairs and from the upstairs. Some other high-end finishes that I've noticed around the home is that I think we've already talked about, it's got the engineered hardwood, which is really good in our area, for the different weather temperatures, so it doesn't contract and expand. And then you have the Pella window package, which is a higher end window finishing. And then they have Z-line appliances in the kitchen. So you can tell when you walk through this home that it was done really nice, and they have a lot of high-end finishes. So in addition to being a really nice house, you're also in a great community. If you're familiar with Spring Mountain Meadows, they have access to Spring Mountain Ranch, clubhouse, the pool, tennis court, steam room, fitness center, and you get all of this stuff for only $1,000 a year in HOA fees. So that's another selling point to this particular home and the area. If Spring Mountain Meadow is an area you think you might be interested in, or if this home hasn't sold yet and you want to take a tour, reach out and give me a call. I'm happy to answer questions anytime.